Hello fellow Diablo players. I want to say something to you guys. This is not a guide, this is not a something that makes no sense. This is just a tip for you. The one thing you need to avoid in Diablo 4, in my opinion, is to try to fast forward the game. Okay, so basically if you go 100 level, okay, the game is over. So don't rush it. Don't see other people that are 80 levels, 70 levels, and they are just rushing through the game. Just enjoy the game, alright? Because if you go to 100 level, if you manage to do tier, I don't know, dungeons, basically there is no point of it, okay? There is no end game stuff after that. Alright, so just enjoy the game, go with your own flow, don't get discouraged by other people's levels, just enjoy the game. I want to say only one thing, okay? So basically I was in a guild and some people are 80 levels, stuff like that, and nobody talks to nobody. It's like they are playing their own race, trying to pass people and stuff like that. They're playing so many hours straight and they just don't engage with one another. If you find yourself playing this game and racing your friend, okay, don't do that. Just play with your friend, okay? Just enjoy the game naturally, because if you go in the end, go to 100 level, and there's nothing to do after that, okay? So keep that in mind. Enjoy the game, it's a great game, has a lot of stuff to do, all the systems are great, and that's all I wanted to say. Thank you guys for watching, continue playing, have fun, and see you in the next video.